Hello and welcome back to my Wudang Academy channel. So today we are going to continue with the Xuan and Jian form. I hope you liked our series so far, and today is a complicated episode, so make sure you know all the previous ones. Today we are going to transfer the movement from a kick into a high position without losing control. So I'm going to explain it now. Get ready, do some stretching, and we start. So as we remember last time, we finished the movement right here from the cut. Yeah. Now watch carefully what happens next. First, we step close with the left leg into 𝐸𝐸𝐵 and we turn the hip to the right. At the same time, we raise the sword up like 𝐸𝐸𝐞𝐤𝐬. Watch my movement. The 𝐸𝐸𝐞𝐤𝐬 movement is like this. You go like sideways and cut. And here you go sideways and you go up. Okay, and look at my hip movement, what is happening here. You go sideways and now you rotate hip. And we step close into 𝐸𝐸𝐵. Alright? So watch once again here. You step sideways up and rotate the hip at the same time. Now we here at 𝐸𝐸𝐵 looking to 45. Now we step once again in 90-degree angle from the right heel forward. Yes? And same time, we're stepping close with the right leg in 𝐸𝐸𝐵 again. You see here? So basically when we here, one, step close, 90 degrees, and go 𝐸𝐸𝐵 and look to the sword tip. The 𝐸𝐸𝐵 position is very important, okay? Let me show you from the front. So we are right here, and now we go one, two, you go here, two, 𝐸𝐸𝐵, and look. And now we start the stepping. We start stepping 6 times, 6 steps, okay? And the steps are like 𝐷𝐸𝐲𝐸. You go here. So the inner leg is always straight. The outer leg looks inside. So when we here, in, out, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And we have the 6th step, okay? Let me show you from the other side once again. Here, cut, here. Now, go in, 1, step, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, open. When you do the 6th step, you open the arms like this. Okay, see here, 6th step, and we here. So first, if you have trouble and you didn't learn the 𝐷𝐸𝐲𝐸, let's go through the steps once again. Now, let's do it without the sword, okay? So basically we are here, we turn 45 in. And now the inner leg is always straight. The outer leg comes in with the toes looking in the same line. You see it here. No? When you go in, the toes are right here. They are now one line. They should make a circle. Yeah? Like this, you go in, like this again. This way, you make sure that your steps are stable and the gravity center comes inside into the circle, which is important if you want to continue strong movement throughout direction changing. Yeah? So when you're here, you go in, straight, in, straight, in, straight, in, straight, in. And then you open the 6th step, okay? So let's do this once again. Now I will show it with the sword. When we here, you go 𝐸𝐸𝐵, you turn to the right, you step, combo, step, 45, 1, straight, 2, in, 1, straight, 2, in, 1, straight, 2, in, and so on, okay? So I hope this is clear now. So let me show you once again from the other side. When you're here, 1, 2, step 𝐸𝐸𝐵, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you open. All right? So what is the practical advantage of including a 𝐷𝐸𝐲 step in this movement? Basically, the reason for 𝐷𝐸𝐲 step is that you are able to change your direction freely. So it is often seen in traditional Chinese fencing that the Chinese fencer is changing the direction. And this is exactly where the backward step comes into place. So imagine you need to block, and because of the sideways movement, you are able to block the attack from the opponent, but because you're stepping to the side, you can also attack. So the backward step is optimized for quick attack while you're stepping to the side. This makes it harder for the opponent to adjust your attack, and also easier for you to block incoming attacks from the opponent. Make sure you practice the backward step before we continue. Now watch carefully what is happening. So we have the 6th step, and we are opening here with the 6th step. Now we go into combo, and we strike with the hilt. You see here, you go this way. 1. So let's do it together with the full movement. So we are here, 1. Now go 1, 2, 3, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Open, go. Combo. Now go Shear Bow. Don't change the sword. So from this position, explosive. Now go in, Shear Bow. Understand? Let's do it from the other side once again. So we're here. We're coming this way. Cut. Go in. 1. Step combo here. Straight. Step close. Tinsebo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Open. Go in. Go in. Shear Bow. And the sword hand always connect. So you hear 1, 2, Shear Bow. Understand? Okay, so let's check out our next movement. We're coming from this way into Shear Bow. Now watch carefully. We are opening again and stepping with the right like this. So you're going in half high, you open with the right, and you bring the sword to the back here like this. So watch it once. Open, go in. You see the circle that the sword makes. When we are this way here, you're coming in like 1, 2. Now you turn the hilt of the sword, go in like this. So we are working with the gravity point of the sword by going in. You see, the tip of the sword stays calm. You go in like this. This is very important because we want a clear direction for the next pierce. So when we're here, you go in, 1, 2. Don't shake your sword tip. Open it, then go in, working with the gravity point of the sword, and go like this. Now we have side kick and pierce in the outer directions, you see here, like this. 1, and go up, like this here. Connect the knee with the elbow, and the sword is straight. The arm is straight also. Let me show you once again from the other side. So, combo, Shear Bow. Now go in, step in, like this. Step, and kick, and go. The sword is straight. Let me show you the full sequence now. So this was our little episode on the Xuan form. You should totally see that you nail your backward step, because this is important to keep your control in the circle. And because of the backward step, you should bring the gravity center inside the circle. So make sure you practice this. And afterwards, we go into Shear Bow. In explosive movement, you should be really, really strong. And afterwards, immediately relax again, and then stay in control and try not to shift around. This is very crucial. So make sure you really nail this till you advanced to the next episode, okay? So thank you for watching. If you have further feedback, leave it in the community forum. I post a link below in the video description. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon again. Goodbye.